What's up YouTube? T-Bird here, back again with another video. And in this video we are going to make a shirt. Okay, we are going to make a shirt that's going to be based off mental health awareness. So back in 2018, my favorite NBA players, DeMar DeRozan and Kevin Love, actually came out and spoke about mental health and just how important it is to take care of your mentals. Also, you see now what Simone Biles is going through with the Olympics, and that just kind of inspired me to make a shirt based off mental health. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and I want you guys to tag along for this journey with me. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so we are on the GOAT website, canva.com, where we're just gonna go ahead and create a design real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and click on logo. I already have an idea in my mind about how I want things, and if you seen on my last video, I'm just gonna retire from trying to draw it up, okay? Because that was kind of terrible. But the results came out good, but my drawing was just terrible. So we're just gonna try to whip up something in Canva real quick. Let's go to elements. I do know I want a ribbon on here. I want a green ribbon that represents mental health awareness, right? So let's just find us a ribbon real quick on here. Okay, we're just gonna use this one, and we're gonna get it green, make it green for mental health awareness. And let's put that right there. Of course, we want to say mental health awareness on here. So let's go to text. Text, add a heading, and we're just gonna type in mental health awareness. Y'all know y'all should know by now that my two favorite fonts are Bangers and Intro Rust. Let's just look at Intro Rust. Let's look at Bangers. I think Intro Rust would be better for the bottom piece. What I'm gonna do to this, I'll space it out like this. Yeah. And then we can minimize it. Come on, let me move it. Okay, gotta get minimized some more. That looks good right there. Mental health awareness, and we're gonna also make that the same color. Let's get it that green look. That green look, you feel me? And now I do want to have something in this area right here. And I think I want to put "You Are Not Enough," because I remember Kevin Love actually saying him realizing that he wasn't the only one. What I said, "You're not enough." I meant "You Are Not Alone," and that's because I remember Kevin Love saying that would help him get over. Well, not get over, but would help him a lot during his when he was down bad or at his worst, was knowing that he wasn't alone. So I think right here I'm going to put "You Are Not Alone," and let's just see what that looks like. You are. Let's just start with the "You Are." And this one we have to do Bangers, right? Yeah. Let's make that a little bigger. Come on, let me move you. There we go. Add another. Oh, I did that right there. Bangers. That was 47. And I'll line that up as well. Put that at 47. Alright, so let's just go ahead and do that like that. Trying to line it up perfect so it just looks good. I actually think this could be bigger, honestly. Unless you think it can be bigger. Let's see what this looks like. You are not alone. Mental health awareness. Okay. It's something simple, but it gets the message across to people. People can see this shirt and just, you know, it gets the point across. It's something simple but sweet and gets to the point. And that's something I kind of just wanted to do. So yeah. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and download this file, transparent background, and then I'm going to send it over to Silhouette Studios so my Cameo can go ahead and cut this out for us, and we can place it on the shirt. Let's get it. Okay guys, so now we are over at the heat press machine where I have my things cut out. I have my beautiful ribbon right here. I have the mental health awareness. Y'all see that? Yeah. Last but not least, the you are not alone. You know, got that cut out too. So we're gonna go ahead and place these on the shirt and see. I think that's good, right? Make sure. Let's get right there. And the you are not alone. Okay, so I'm gonna do these first. And I have this set at 360. At 365, we're gonna do a 15 second press, and hopefully these turn out good. I want this placed a little higher. I didn't cut it fine enough for me to put that on the machine as well, but after this, we do these 15 seconds, we're gonna put this on next. All right, we'll go ahead and lift this up. All right, guys, last but not least, to finish the touch, to put the finishing touches on this shirt, we have the mental health awareness. I'm gonna press this 15 seconds, and we're about to see how dope this shirt looks. As you can see, we really just went from Canva to a shirt just that fast. Only took about 10 minutes maybe at that. So see how it looks. Moment of truth. One of y'all do a drum roll for me. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, sir. This thing kind of hot. Yeesh. So, oh, it's hot. And now we have us a mental health awareness shirt, guys. You are not alone. Yeah. This is nice. I want you guys to see up close and personal how well this shirt came out. Everything came out smooth. I like that. So y'all ready? Y'all ready for it? Whoop. Whoop. Yeah. Yeah. Feels good too. Feels good. But hey, y'all remember, take care of y'all mentals out there. Mental health is important. Loving yourself is important. do those things. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.